Good morning, dear students. Hope you are hale and hearty. My name is Ritu Thareja from Mount Literacy School, Alberta. And today we are going to have a session on basic life skills. Before starting the session, I would like to share something with you which I personally feel that God has bestowed us with so many qualities and skills, but at the same time, we have been given the capabilities to improve ourselves by working on those qualities and skills. Here, there may be question in your minds that how to improve them. Yes, students, we can improve ourselves by working on those qualities and skills. So let's talk about some basic life skills by following some simple techniques, and then you will become the better version and then the best version of yourself. So let's start the session. The first thing I want to talk about is our body language. Students, our body language is as much important as what we speak. So this is the one skill we must master. When we come in contact with someone, first what we see the body, posture, physique and appearance. So how should be our posture? I'll show you that we should stand or sit like this. Our backbone should be straight with chest out, like this. Backbone should be straight with chest out, and this will give you a different level of confidence. So next step is smile. You should always have a genuine smile on your face and smile from the bottom of your heart. And then eye contact. You should always have an eye contact with the person you are communicating with. What does it show? This shows that you are listening to them, you are attentive. And lastly, combine both your smile and eye contact. And in this way, you can improve your body language. Now I want to talk about healthy body and healthy mind. What picture comes in your mind when we talk about healthy body and healthy mind? It's a picture of some eating habits or some exercise routine, right? So here students, I would like to ask you a question. What feelings do you have when you have to get up early in the morning, when you have to go to school, or when you have to sit for your classes? I think you don't feel good at that time because we don't want to get out of the bed. We have bad feelings. Oh, it's so early, I don't want to go to school again. So these are the feelings. Here, I would like you to do a small exercise, and it's a very simple exercise which you have to do with me. So let's start. Your hands. Place your hands in front of your chest like this. Fine? Then what you have to do, bring your hands over your head here and very slowly stretch your arms as much as you can. Your arms should be near your ears. You have to remain in this position for a few seconds only, and then very slowly come back to your normal position. Fine? When you do this simple exercise, I assure you that there will be a change in your mood and your energy level. You can do this exercise whenever you are feeling lazy and whenever you are not feeling like doing anything. So start doing this simple technique exercise when you get up and when you have to go to bed in the night, and it will change your lifestyle. So now talk about eating habits. So here you have to ask yourself, students, the food what we are eating is right for our health? Is it giving us the proper nutrients need for our body? Because from last some years, junk food has become addiction, and especially in the children's life. Eating a poor quality diet high in junk food is linked to higher risk of obesity and digestive issues, slow learning and low self-esteem. So it's not good for our health to eat junk food on regular basis. Eating outside food once in a while is fine, but when we make it a habit, it's not good for our health at all if we want to be successful in our life. So add green vegetables, a cup of fruits, curd, milk, nuts in your diet. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time. If you have your lunch and snacks ready, then your craving for junk food will start to diminish. It will take a few weeks, but it will improve. You know, students, our life is a gift from God which shines from discipline. And I was reading about actor Akshay Kumar. What he says, that since he is born, he has never seen a day when he has not seen the rising sun. Every successful person is self-disciplined. And if you want to be self-disciplined in your life, students, I can give you a simple technique. Make a list of goals and try to make that list in the night or in the morning. Students, I would suggest you can master self-discipline these days because these are the golden days for you because you are at home nowadays. Don't allow yourself to remain in laziness. Work on your list, and it's important that you are consistently reminding yourself why your success matters to you. Last but not the least, self-discipline. Students, ask yourself how much self-disciplined you are. How many works at home you are doing right now? There are so many small works which you can do to help your parents at home. You can lay the table, you can make the bed, you can arrange your almirah, you can fold the clothes and keep them back in the almirah. And there are so many works you can do at home because you are at home nowadays. So I'm sure you will do these works. As Mount Litera says that every child is unique, and now you have to show your uniqueness. I'm sure you will follow all these things which we have discussed today and become a better human being. Thank you.